Let's take a tour of my organized living room. Now, this isn't a space that I use on a daily basis, but my kids sure do. So the first thing you should know about this space is that there is very little built-in storage space. So I had to make the most of furniture options that have some built-in storage in them, and I will show you the only built-in storage space at the end of the video. So you'll see this is a pretty typical living room. That cabinet right there has a treasure trove of things inside that is just perfect for hiding all sorts of things that I don't want to see. And of course, let's walk over to the piano. The bench is awesome for holding music, and the metronome, but it doesn't always like to close easily. Next, let me show you what is in that cabinet. Now, this is really a CD cabinet, and you'll see that I still do have some CDs because yes, I'm old. So the first 3 rows up here have CDs in them, but then there's a whole bunch of other stuff in these other drawers. I have a CD cleaner under there. I think there's some decorative items. I have some Kleenex in that one drawer. This I use for like seasonal decorations that I don't want out all the time, but this makes it easier for me to get to them. That drawer needs something in it. Those are electrical timers, and there are some like fun toys that I like to keep. Actually shoot the little balls at my kids. And those are like Christmas candles that I can't store in the attic because they would melt. Or other candles that really I have to keep in a kind of stable temperature. So you see all that junk is just disguised in that cabinet. All right, in the corner, we have the computer, and there's a little bit of storage, but not a whole lot. We're underneath the plants right there are scrapbooks and photo albums. And then here's the only hidden storage space in the entire room. It's a game closet. And oof, my kids have done a number on this space, so I will need to organize that in the near future. But really, they kind of just get into things and it looks like this a lot of the time, to be honest. But the nice thing is I can just close the door and hide it all. So there you go. There is my organized family room. Now, if we didn't have that corner closet, I gotta say I would have to come up with a different solution for all of those games. But as it is, I'm lucky to have it. So there's the room.